Yes, today is me DJESCO kuwaonesha something kumia some and mwambia I'm beating of dog. We'll make my YouTube channel again. Go to the tutorial guys here kumia. So let's open that and listen. So this is the voice. Maybe alidia kwenye guy. I don't know guys. Let's go and let's do that. And this one, and for me to go in fail stereo is this one. Sing right here. Want your vocal can sound like. So that was the voice, the beat, but fail stereo guys. Something right. But let me remove this one. Yeah, it was buzz too. It was buzz. Buzz. Ile buzz tumepiga first one, kumbe ilikuwa number 5. So nilikuwa huko Cubase guys. Ndio maana sikutia kitu hapa, niketia just this one. Snare kusaidia. Okay? Yo. Wote pamoja guys, let's go. Position. Let's go, let's listen. Again, don't forget. Peace guys and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Peace.